The decision of Special Prosecutor Andrea Reeb to step down from the Alec Baldwin case is a welcome development for those who believe in justice and the rule of law. Reeb made the difficult decision to remove herself from the case due to questions about her ability to fulfill her roles as both a special prosecutor and a member of the New Mexico House of Representatives. This move shows that Reeb is prioritizing justice for the victim, Halyna Hutchins, and is willing to put aside any perceived conflicts of interest to ensure a fair and impartial prosecution. Baldwin's lawyers had argued that Reeb's dual roles constituted a violation of the New Mexico Constitution's separation of powers provision, and that allowing her to continue with the case would set a dangerous precedent that could lead to future abuses of power. This is a valid concern, and it is reassuring to see that Reeb has recognized the potential conflict and taken steps to remove herself from the case. It is worth noting that Reeb's decision to step down does not necessarily mean that Baldwin will be acquitted of the charges against him. The evidence and facts of the case will still be presented in court, and the prosecution will continue to pursue justice for Hutchins. Baldwin's lawyers have attempted to discredit the prosecution's case by claiming that the firearm enhancement statute used in the charges did not exist at the time of the shooting. But this argument seems to be more of a technicality than a substantive defense. The tragic death of Halyna Hutchins on the set of the film Rust was a preventable tragedy that should never have happened. It is clear from the evidence that there was a complete disregard for basic safety protocols that led to her death, and those responsible should be held accountable. Baldwin's claim that he did not pull the trigger of the gun that killed Hutchins is beside the point. As the person holding the gun, he bears a significant amount of responsibility for the incident. In conclusion, Andrea Reeb's decision to step down from the Alec Baldwin case is a positive development for justice and the rule of law. Her decision shows that she is committed to ensuring a fair and impartial prosecution, and is willing to put aside any perceived conflicts of interest to achieve that goal. The evidence and facts of the case will still be presented in court, and justice for Halyna Hutchins will continue to be pursued. The tragedy that occurred on the set of Rust should serve as a reminder of the importance of safety protocols on film sets and the need for accountability when those protocols are ignored.